Hi again, third grade. Welcome to your last lesson before holiday break. Nice job for all the hard work you've done over these last several weeks and this last semester. Good job. I'm so proud of all of your hard work. Okay, so this is what you're going to do in math today. First thing, you're going to read your target to yourself, and then you're going to watch this video where I read it to you, and then we break it down together. You are then going to complete the pattern 1 to 10. That's right, 1s to 10. I know you can do this one. And then 10s to 100, you can do this one too. Who has a birthday today? Bailey, Aisha, my mom, or all of the above? I hope you've been listening. This is where you can find your work for today. It's the same as always. I click on the link. It brings me to Seesaw. Maybe. Right here it is. So you've got your writing and your math. So you're going to add your response. And if you add your response, you're going to open up your window. You can either write on here, put your picture right over top. Same goes for this page. And then as soon as you're done, you're going to push the green circle with the white check mark in it. That tells me you're done too. Yes, I would like it to be in this assignment. Yeah. Okay, coming back to our Google form, here's your sprint video with the 2-minute timer. How many questions did you answer in 2 minutes? Be honest. Now let's talk about RDW. What does the R stand for? Run, read like a reader, read like a mathematician, or read. What does the D stand for in RDW? Drain, draw, do math. RDW. Now I'm telling you about the right today. We are going to do a multi-sentence response, or multi-sentence written response. Sentence 1, you're going to restate and answer the question. Sentence 2, you're going to tell me how you know that is true. Sentence 3, you're going to tell me how you solved this, and then your last sentence is where you're going to answer it again. Like, this is how I found the answer to be blah, blah, blah. This is a little reminder. This is called the RACE strategy. You restate, answer, cite, explain, and I talk a lot about that right here in this video. Okay, this video is a little longer, but it's the only one you really have to watch today because you guys know how to do your problem set, you know how to do your sprint. You're already watching this one. So this is the big one. This is where I go through the RACE strategy and this right here. So make sure you pay extra close attention. Watch it again if you have to. And then you're going to answer this question, which is posed or asked in this video. How much money does Walter put in the bank each week for 7 weeks? I will know if you watched the video because I say it a bunch of times. So you need to watch the video to answer this question. This is your problem set for the day. And then you submit. So that is your work for the day. You only have your sprint and your problem set. Come to math groups at 10:30. It's extra special today in honor of holiday break. You don't want to miss it. I will see you guys later.